Hey everybody, my name is Jordan. I'm with AED Professionals, and today I'm going to go over how to use the EOlife clinical device on an intubated mannequin. You can stack anything you'd like in between here. You can put a filter below the sensor. We do recommend doing that. Right here we have our EtCO2 sensor. Now, our patient is intubated, so we should have no leakage. Showing good ventilation. If there was a leakage, it would let me know, and that would let me know that I didn't intubate correctly. VT is good, it's between 450 and 550. Showing that I have high frequency, I need to slow down. Wait for the 3, 2, 1. Let's try to get excessive volume here. There we go. You just squeeze a little less. Went a little overboard there. Good ventilation. Insufficient volume. Need to squeeze a bit more. And there we have it.